there are some affiliates that make it work and they find success, but there's also a lot of affiliates that on the first sites they seem to be doing the same, but it doesn't work. From your perspective, what would you say do the successful affiliates do different from those who don't succeed?
Yeah, so the main thing I think successful affiliates do compared to those who don't succeed is just testing angles, testing different offers, and not giving up. After one or two bad days of testing a
Mm.
new offer, maybe you need to change the angle. A big thing I would advise against is just ripping and running. Obviously, you want to model your funnel off of
Yeah,
what works. If you
yeah.
see someone scaling and you check their website data and they have a lot of traffic, um, then that's very likely a funnel that's working. And you can take ideas and draw inspiration from it. But if you straight up rip and run, chances of succeeding are much lower, in my opinion.
Gotcha. What for those who don't know, what is ripping?
Ripping and running, it's if you spy on some ads, if you see, an ad on Facebook, for example, that's doing well, you check the website data, they're getting a lot of monthly visitors, and you just use the same ad, same pre-lander, maybe change a word or two or change the
Hmm.
color of something.
Yeah,
It's a funnel that's already out there. You're not going to win over the premium traffic, and I find it to be a harder way to become profitable.
yeah. So
And
basically,
that's not to say you should reinvent the wheel either.
yeah.
Definitely model
Hmm.
your funnels off of what works, but try to have your own angle, your own
Yeah,
spin on it, so you can get some new pockets of traffic.
yeah. I agree. There's yeah. If you see like a quiz is doing really well, then you can take the inspiration from that quiz and build your own. Uh,
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe target someone
Or
else. Like you can, instead of if you see that quiz is targeting females over 50, you could try, I don't know, now on top of my head, like targeting women over 60 in the
yeah.
South or so, something like
Yeah,
that. Or
I think it's important to also just remember the concept. Like this quiz is working. Why? Why does that quiz work?
mm,
Probably because it engages the user. It asks them questions. It builds authenticity. Rather than just sending someone to a page, if you're
gotcha.
asking questions beforehand, they feel engaged. They feel heard. They're giving you their info. Now you're going to give them a tailor-made product that will help them with their symptoms or whatever it may be.
Hmm.
But the idea of the quiz is just engaging the users.
Yeah.
So I think it's important to kind of zoom out and think about the concepts at play that are working, rather than just like, oh, 4-question quiz that's going to work. Like, no, like
Hmm.
why does that work?
Why does it work? Yeah. So you
Yeah.
would also like understanding the user consumer psychology, like copywriting and everything. Uh,
Yeah, I think it's important to look into that and consider that. The user journey, the user experience, I
mhm.
forget the exact phrase, something like
Yeah,
that.
buyer journey,
Customer
whatever.
journey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever it is, that's
Oh,
that's what you want to look into when you see a funnel that's working. Diagnose it, or break it down rather, from that angle. From why does this work? Why would users continue clicking? What are they reading? Rather than just like, oh, cool image, 4-question quiz. My lander has an image and a 4-question quiz. It's going to work.
yeah,
Like, why did that other one work?
yeah. And then there's a few things under the hood that you don't see when rip and running. Like this person can have a fully optimized media buying strategy. Like if they would run native ads and they have fully optimized placements because they have been running this campaign since 2 years. Like maybe they are buying the traffic from exactly those publishers where this quiz works. Like it could be another website where you put the same quiz on, but it's a totally different audience.
Yeah, that's very true when it comes to
Yeah.
native, especially when discussing the ripping and running on native. Yeah, just launching the same ad at the same headline, you're
Mhm.
not going to be on the same targeting, the same widgets as
Yeah.
the affiliate that you saw scaling that ad. So that's something where you really want to talk to your reps at the native ad network and make sure that
Mhm.
you're on these proper whitelist. But still, don't rip the same ad and same headline. Try to figure out why it works and come up with your own.
Yeah.